So today I have a very special guest. Introduce yourself.
안녕하세요. 저는 추석주입니다. 하와이 온 지 4달 됐고요. 이제 한국의 파라마 마트에 들어가서 안 매운 한국 음식을 한번 해보고 있습니다.
So I think that this is a very good opportunity because there's probably as many people think Koreans eat spicy, right?
That's true. Koreans love spicy food, but I don't. And some of my friends don't.
So there are Koreans that don't eat spicy. So now today we're here at Parama Market. 아닌데? Parama Supermarket.
You have to pronounce it with some solid tongue.
Okay. Parama Supermarket. 맞아? Okay.
파라마 슈퍼마트.
Parama Supermarket. And we're going to find 안 매운 한국 음식. So let's go! Yeah. Okay. And with that, here we are inside, looking around. So this is just what Parama Market looks like. Got a little cafeteria. Here's some places to get like some vegetables and fruits. And then there's many aisles as well. So, what here is not spicy?
We call it 유부초밥.
유부조합.
초밥.
초밥.
Sushi. 초밥.
Ah.
But it's made with this fried tofu, so we call it 유부초밥.
유부조합. And so that is 안 매워?
안 매워. 달아. It's sweet.
달아.
We eat this like treat when you're in kindergarten. Then your mom gonna make this and put it in the lunchbox, and you can go somewhere.
Cool. 초밥장.
유부초밥.
어. 유부조합.
And rice cakes. When you make tteokbokki, we're using two types of this. Actually, we don't use this in tteokbokki. Some of them use it, and some of them love this more than this.
For soups.
Tteokbokki. Yeah, tteokbokki. We make this with some long rice cake, and we cut it like this way and put it there.
Okay. So this is made with rice.
Yeah.
So this is duck made with rice, but then that's different than this.
This one is with flour, and
But it's still called rice cake.
I don't know why, but yeah, like wheat cake or
Wheat
something.
cake. This is wheat cake. That is rice cake.
If you want to try some real Korean tteokbokki, then I suggest this one.
Okay.
Because,
Wheat. Made with wheat.
that's too chewy, and
So like the texture is
I
different.
mean, for my opinion, our favorite opinion, I suggest it.
Okay. So rice cakes, but made specifically with wheat for tteokbokki.
After school, if you go to some cheap restaurant that sells some tteokbokki, all of them use this.
Okay, got it. So it's very common. Okay, more common to have the wheat tteokbokki. Okay, got it. And then tteokbokki. Usually it's made very spicy, but the tteok by itself is not spicy.
Yeah, it's just rice.
Just rice. Yeah. So if you just eat straight tteok, it's not gonna have very much taste.
My granny loves to dip with some honey and just
Oh.
eat that.
What?
But we use this one, but we don't cut it, so we're using the long one
Okay.
and cut it like some long length, not like this.
Okay.
And just dip it in honey and eat it. But make sure you have to grill it to make it more chewy and
Chewy,
some
yeah.
flavor that's
Okay.
coming out from whatever.
Because if it's just like not chewy and not tender, if it's not tender or like kind of squishy, then it won't.
So if it's cold, then it's just break, not chewy.
No, if you can break your tteok, it's not good.
Why don't you repeat my sentence? Yeah?
Yeah, because I'm learning too.
You now can see behind the scenes all on my own. Happy Bridge Builder Patreon. How do I even organize what's that in my background?